Morning students. Today we are seeing Fourier series examples. In my previous lecture I already explained what is the definition of Fourier series and formulas, discontinuities and periodic function definition, all those everything. So once we recall that, we are using the formula for Fourier series. In your expansion, f of x is a given function in that interval f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So then we are writing a naught equal to 1 by pi integral, suppose in your limit 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to pi, or generally we are writing c to c plus 2 pi. As a depend upon in your question, we are using your limits. So integral f of x dx an equal to 1 by pi integral f of x cos nx dx. Dn equal to 1 by pi integral f of x sin nx dx. So we will explain the example problem. So express f of x equal to x minus pi as a Fourier series in that interval minus pi less than x less than pi. So listen, in your given function f of x is here x minus pi. That interval is minus pi less than x less than pi. So here always your lower limit is minus pi, upper limit is pi. So your solution. So we know the formula for Fourier series expansion. So now we are writing, let the function f of x equal to x minus pi be represented by the Fourier series x minus pi equal to a naught by 2. This value is f of x. X minus pi equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So this equation we are taking 1. So we need to find the values of here a naught an bn. We know already a naught an bn are Fourier quotient of never given f of x. Then now we are writing the formula for a naught. A naught equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi. So in your given limits are minus pi is less than x less than pi. Then only we are applying your limit integral minus pi to pi f of x dx equal to 1 by pi. Now we are substituting your f of x value is x minus pi dx. As next step, listen, your x into your just multiply x into dx. You are applying separate the integrals. Integral minus pi to pi x dx minus pi into integral minus pi to pi dx. So in this step 2, we are writing the next step. Listen, in here first integral minus pi to first term pi to pi x dx we are writing 0. Why we are writing to here 0? In your function already you know the general formulas for integration. Integral minus a to a f of x dx equal to 0. Your given function is odd. Suppose in your function is even, as possible to write the formula 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. So we are using that concept to here. So then only we are first integration term is we are writing 0. So in your second term is minus pi is a constant, integral minus pi to pi dx. As possible to we are writing as just constant 2 into 2 times of integral 0 to pi dx. First term is 0. So this is only possible your limit is minus to pi. Your lower case upper limit both are equal. Only change the negative in your lower limit and positive for your upper limit. Then only it's suitable for this formula odd even functions. So now next step we are writing 1 by pi minus 2 pi is a constant. So integration of dx we know x. So now applying upper limit minus lower limit. So we know in x place replacing upper limit is pi minus lower limit is 0. So now we are getting the solution is here minus 2 pi. So this is the value of a naught. Next we need to find the value of an. So what is the an value? Formula 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Next step we are substituting the values of f of x. So what is f of x value? We are given value x minus pi into cos x. Next step we are multiplying the x into cos x minus pi into cos x terms. So now we are writing 1 by x integral minus pi to pi x cos nx dx minus pi is a constant integral minus pi to pi cos nx dx. Now we are next step we are writing integral minus pi to pi x cos nx dx is 0. Why? Here your function is odd. So in your multiplication of two products, here your product of two functions, even function and two odd functions, as once again even. One even function and your odd function you are multiplying, you get once again odd. So it is only we are talking about the functions, not a numbers. So in your function, your product of two even function, two odd function, once again you are getting even function. You multiplying odd and even, you are getting odd function. So x into cos x is here odd function, then only we are substituting here 0. So here cos in x, you know every cos term is an odd, sine is a, sorry, every cos is an even and sine is an odd. Then only we are writing this step is 2 into integral 0 to pi cos nx dx. So now an equal to minus 2 integral 0 to pi cos nx dx. So now here integration formula we are applying to here. We know the general formula of integral cos nx dx is sin nx by n. So now we are next step we are writing minus 2 sin nx by n. We are substituting limit 0 to pi. So now substituting every x place upper limit first. So 2 by n is a constant, sin n pi. Just we are replacing every x place in your upper limit minus lower limit. So your lower limit is 0. Sin n x is 0. N into 0 is 0. Then only we are getting sin 0. So this one sin n pi value is always 0. Why? So you are substituting n is 1, sin 1 is 0. N is 2. So sin 2 pi also 0. 3 pi, 4 pi, everything 0. We know the values. Sin 0 is 0. So these two values are 0 minus 0. Totally your an value equals 0 when for your substituting n is 1, 2, 3. Up the infinite case. So next we are finding the value of dn. We know the formula for dn equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. Now we are substituting your f of x value next step x minus pi. So next step we are writing the linear property integral of a plus b is integral a integral b. This concept. So you are multiplying x into sin x is the first integral and x pi into sin x here second term. So now we are writing the next step 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi x sin nx minus pi into integral minus pi to pi sin nx dx. So now here listen, x is an odd function, sin nx is also odd function. So product of two odd function is an even, we know. So then only we are writing next step here integral minus x to x x sin x nx dx is 2 into integral 0 to pi x sin nx dx. So sin nx is an odd function. So then only this total integration value is 0. So next step, so integration of x into sin nx dx. So you are applying the integral u dv formula, uv minus integral du or integral f of x dx function value. So we are taking that value or using the Bernoulli's integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 and so on. So only here two functions, first one is algebraic, second one is trigonometric. You know already Euler methods. So you are choosing u is a x. So u v. So integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n. That is u value minus u dash. Differentiation of x is 1. So next into v1. So differentiation of v is integration of v. V is the cos nx by n. Integration of cos nx is sin nx by n. So already in your denominator 1, we are getting minus sin nx by n square. Now next step we are substituting upper limit minus lower limit. Here with cos n pi, we know the value minus 1 whole power n. Sin n pi always 0. N is 1, 2, you are substituting sin nx value n pi is always 0. So next we are substituting lower limit. So x into cos 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, but x is 0. So you are multiplying this value once again 0 in your first step. Your lower limit is you are substituting here sin 0 is obviously 0. So we are getting the solution minus 2 by pi cos n pi. So cos n pi value is n equal to, we are substituting 1, 2, 3. That means cos pi value is minus 1, cos 2 pi positive 1, cos 3 pi minus 1. So alternative sign, we know every n value even number we are getting 1, odd n value is odd you are getting minus 1. Then only you are simply writing your value is minus 1 whole power n. So listen, minus 2 by n minus 1 whole power n, that means minus 1, one negative here, negative power 1. So we are, base is equal, you add the powers. So then only next step you are writing minus 1 whole power n plus 1. So previous one negative. For all n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the value of Bn. Now substituting A0, An, Bn values in equation 1. So now here equation 1 is f of x. That is f of x is x minus pi equal to A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity An cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. So now An value is here 0. Here, then only here cos nx into 0, the term summation total is 0. So only next step we are writing x minus pi equal to minus pi A0 by 2 value. 2 to cancel. So minus pi plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 Bn value minus 1 whole power n plus 1 into 2 by pi sin nx. So now we are substituting n values. N is 1 to the summation values. N is 1 to up to the infinite case. So your x minus pi equal to minus pi. 2 is a constant. Take to the outside. 2 into, so first n is 1 sin nx. Sin x. N is 2. So here 2 by n. Your value is not pi. So here minus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 3 sin 3x minus 1 by 4. N is 4 sin minus 1 by 4 sin 4x plus and so on. So this is your required solution of here given question. So next we are seeing next example. Find the Fourier series to represent the function e power minus ax. So e power ax is your f of x value from x equal to minus pi to pi. So now your lower limit is minus pi, your upper limit is pi. So deduce, you are asking, after you are substituting A0, An, Bn values, after finally we are getting one solution. That solution to you deduce and find it the solution. So here you are deduce this value 5 by sin h pi equal to 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1. This is your question. So here in this question to first we are taking the values f of x and then your limit is minus pi to pi. We know the Fourier series formula f of x equal to A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity An cos nx plus Bn sin nx. So now we are expressing your Fourier series. Let the function f of x equal to e power minus ax be represented by the Fourier series e power, your f of x value is e power minus ax equal to A0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity An cos nx plus Bn sin nx. This is your equation 1. Now here too we know the A0, An, Bn formulas. We find the values of A0, An, Bn. Then we know the formula for A0 is 1 by pi integral f of x dx. So here f of x value we are substituting e power minus a power x. Your interval is minus pi to pi. So A0 equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi e power minus ax dx. Now we know the general integration of formula for integral e power a nx dx is e power nx by n. So now here n value is minus a. So integration of e power minus ax dx form we are writing e power minus ax by minus a. So that is e power nx is e power nx by n. So here n is minus a. As applying your limits minus pi to pi. So now next step we are substituting the upper limit minus lower limit. So here minus 1 by 2a is a constant. So you are replacing upper limit minus lower limit in the place of x. E power minus ax minus e power lower limit is minus, already in your power 1 negative, you are applying lower limit is minus pi. So e power a pi. So now we are getting next step e power ax minus e power minus ax by a pi. So listen, in your question, in the terms of hyperbolic functions, so we know the general formula for hyperbolic function, h sin h ax sin h dx, that means h, it means hyperbolic function. So sin h ax, how to write? E power ax minus e power minus ax by 2 is sin h ax. Cos h ax means e power ax plus in middle positive e power minus ax by 2. So here in middle negative, so you need just in your denominator 1 2, then only you are multiplying and divided by 2 in this way. So we are multiplying divided by 2. So the 2 is taken to the opposite, that a naught by 2 equal to e power a pi minus e power minus a pi by 2 into 1 by a pi. So now we are substituting this formula sin h a pi by a pi. This is the value of a naught by 2. We are substituting in your equation directly a naught by 2 value. Next we are finding the value of an. We know the formula for an equal to 1 by pi integral f of x cos nx dx. So now we are substituting f of x value is e power minus ax interval minus pi to pi. So then only we are writing an equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi e power minus ax cos nx dx. So now here applying the integral formula e power ax cos dx dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square a cos dx plus b sin dx. This is integral general formula. So in our integral, here every a place is minus a, b place we are replacing n. So now we are writing the next step 1 by pi after integration e power minus a by a square plus n square, that is minus a square is positive plus b square place is n square, the value is here n minus a cos dx. So minus a is your a value minus a cos nx plus n into sin nx, limit minus pi to pi. So here applying the upper limit minus lower limit. Next step 1 by pi e power upper limit is pi. So e power minus a pi by a square plus n square, a into cos n pi plus n into sin n pi. Sin n pi value is 0. Only exists for value for cos n pi. Sin n pi you are substituting here 0. Next we are substituting lower limit minus lower limit e power a minus a into minus pi. So it's positive e power a pi by a square plus n square minus a cos nx. Here sin 0 0. So we are writing directly 0. So next step, listen here in 1 by 5 in these two steps. 1 by 5 a square plus n square is a common term. So this remaining term is e power a pi minus e power minus a pi into cos nx. So now e power a pi minus e power a pi by 2 is as possible for hyperbolic function sin h a pi. So we need that 2 in your denominator. You multiply and divide by 1 2 in this step. So we are as possible to 2a cos n pi cos sin h a pi. So e power a pi minus e power minus a pi by 2 value is sin h a pi upon pi into a square plus n squared. So here next step we are writing sin cos n pi value is minus 1 whole power n. Sin 8 pi is minus 1, sin 2 pi is positive 1, 3 pi and so on. We know it's alternative sign. So it is possible writing cos n pi value is minus 1 whole power n. So 2 into sin h a pi by pi into a square plus n square. We are writing the next step. So similarly, we find that is the value of a n is over. Now finding b n value. B n equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi e power minus ax sin nx dx. So now we are applying the formula for e power minus ax into sin nx place e power ax sin nx. That means e power ax by a square plus b square a into sin bx minus b into cos bx is your general formula. So here you are just replacing every a place is a, b place is n. So now next step we are writing 1 by pi e power minus ax by a square plus n square. Minus a square is positive plus b square place we are replacing n square. So minus a into sin nx minus n into cos nx. Your limit minus pi to pi. So now applying upper limit minus lower limit. Your upper limit is you are substituting pi, the lower limit is minus pi. So we know that sin n pi value 0, sin 0 also 0. So next step we are writing n into cos n pi is a common value into e power a pi minus e power minus a pi by n into a square plus n square. So we know the hyperbolic formula sin h ax equal to e power ax minus e power minus ax by 2. So then only we are in this step we are multiplied and divided by 2. Minus 1 whole for next step we are writing minus 1 whole power n 2n sin h a pi by pi into a square plus n square. This is the value of bn. We are substituting the value of already we are finding a naught by 2 an and bn value in your equation 1. So in your equation 1 is e power ax equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So now we are substituting a naught by 2 value and an bn. As next step, so we are substituting n values. Expansion of in your summation values n is 1, 2, 3 and so on. We are substituting here. So it's a common term in this first two steps is that is first term and summation of this value is expressed as 2 sin h a pi by pi is a common term. Then only we are writing n is 1. So n is 1 is in this first step as 1 by 2a minus a into cos x 1 square plus a square. We are substituting n is 2 cos a into cos 2x by 2 square plus a square. N is 3 minus alternative sign. So next here substituting the summation value in the values of sin a pi by a square plus n square. We get n is 1 sin x by 1 square plus a square minus 2 sin ax by a square plus b square. N is 3 sin ax by a square plus 3 square. So this is where after substitution of a naught a and b n values, in your question asking deduce some values, then only we are substituting in this step. Put x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 in equation 2. This is your taken as equation 2. So in your equation 2, we are substituting here x is 0, a is 1, we get 1 equal to. So e power 0 value is always 1 equal to 2 sin h. A value is 1, then only a pi place we are just pi by pi. 1 by a is 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 the summation plus and so on. So now this sin h pi by pi is taken to the opposite side. As reciprocal we are writing pi by sin h pi equal to 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 square plus 1 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 and so on. This is your required solution of your given question. So next we are seeing the next example. This is discontinuity intervals. Okay. So already explained discriminative intervals also in your previous class. So we are writing as the same formulas we are also using in your Fourier series formulas. So you know the general formula of integral a to b f of x dx is as possible to write integral a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx here. The same concept here your function f of x is discontinuity interval, that interval is pi to 0, 0 to pi. 0 is the discontinuity point. Okay. So in only the finite number. In your Fourier series as must satisfy the three conditions. Your f of x is well defined, and in your f of x is a finite number of discontinuity intervals, and in your f of x value maxima and minima values are finitely defined, depend upon in your definition. Okay, finite number of maxima minima values. So now your question is find the Fourier series of the periodic function defined as f of x equal to minus pi. When your f of x value is minus pi is less than x less than 0, and x here interval 0 less than x less than pi. Okay. So here discontinuity interval only two intervals. So hence deduce that we are showing that this result 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on pi square by 8. Okay. So first we are writing the Fourier formula here, series formula. We know the formula is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to a n cos nx plus dn sin nx dx, sin nx. So that is equation 1. We are let f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to a n cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to dn sin x. This is equation 1. We need to find the value of a naught, a n, b n depend upon in your discontinuity intervals. Okay. So we know the general formula a naught equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. But in a given question is discontinuity interval, here are pi to here mistake is minus pi to pi. Okay. So here minus pi is less than x less than 0 in your question. So now we are writing the values of minus pi to 0 here f of x plus dx plus integral 0 to pi f of x dx. So at the time of interval minus pi to 0 is your f of x is minus pi, you are substituting here, and your interval 0 to pi your f of x value is x. Now minus pi is a constant. We know integration of dx is x. Here integration of x value is x squared by 2. As general formula integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here x is for limit, you are not writing the c. C is some constant. So now you are applying the upper limit minus lower limit in your first step. Upper limit is 0, x plus minus lower limit is minus pi. So next step is x squared plus you are replacing upper limit is pi minus lower limit is 0. So first pi into pi is minus pi squared plus pi squared by 2 is your value. So next step we are writing 1 by pi minus pi squared. You are taking the LCM is 2 in your denominator. So minus 2 pi squared plus pi squared is once again you are getting minus 2 plus 1. So minus pi squared by 2. So now in your numerator 1 pi and denominator 1 pi is cancelled here. So we get remaining minus pi by 2. That is the value of a naught. Next we are finding the value of a n. We know the formula for a n equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Okay. So here applying the discontinuity interval minus pi to 0 plus 0 to pi. So depend upon in interval we are substituting your function value. So in your first interval value is minus pi, your second interval is x. So now we are writing the next step 1 by pi integral into minus pi to 0, your f of x is minus pi into cos nx dx plus integral 0 to x, that time your f of x is x into cos nx dx. As next step, listen, integration of cos nx, applying the integral formula, integration of cos nx is sin nx by x, your limit minus pi to 0 and plus, so here integral 0 to x, x cos nx dx is, so here listen, your function is x into cos nx is the, we are applying the uv formula, integral u dv. So u value is here x, dv is cos nx. So uv minus integral v du. So now otherwise uv minus u dash v1. We are writing here x u. So integration of cos nx is sin nx by n plus minus differentiation of u dash. Differentiation of x is 1. Integration of cos nx is sin nx is minus cos nx by n. So already 1, we are getting cos nx by n square. So one negative in your formula, one negative gets positive here. So next step, we are applying the upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is pi. First sin 0 with 0 first term. Sin pi also we know 0. So that the total 0 value is 0. Next term, second term, we are substituting the values pi. Sin pi, n pi is 0. Cos n pi exists. Lower limit we are substituting 0. Sin 0 0. Cos 0 value 1. So now we are writing 1 by pi, next step 0 plus 1 by n square cos n pi minus 1 by n pi square. So now we know the value of, so your next step you are writing, your common term is 1 by n pi n square cos n pi minus 1. So cos n pi is, you know the value, minus 1 whole power n. Cos n pi value is always minus 1 whole power n. So now minus 1. So this step is possible to write 1 by n pi n square minus 1 whole power n minus 1. Okay. So you are missing 1. Minus 1, then only it's neglected to positive term, last negative term is cancelled. Minus 1, positive 1 cancel, as you are taking n minus 1 term, previous term onwards. So you are substituting n is 1, we get a1. This is the value of an. So first we are finding a1. So substituting n is 1, and this value 1 by pi n square. 1 square is 1, minus 1 whole power n is 1. So minus 1 whole power minus 1. So that is minus of 1. Inverse means 1 by 1. So now we are getting the values. A1 equal to minus 2 by 1 square 5. So you are missing 1 2 here. 2 by n pi. 2 by n pi n square minus 1 whole power n minus 1 your value. So your a square equals 0. A3 equal to minus 2 by 3 square n. So the substituting n is 4, here 0, n is 5 is, we are getting minus 2 by 5 square 5. So and so on we are finding up to the infinite values. Next we are calculating the value of bn. We know the formula for bn is 1 by pi into the minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. So first we are writing the discontinuous interval. We are substituting your f of x is pi to 0, minus pi to 0, 0 to pi. Okay. So now here minus pi into sin nx. So pi is a constant. Integration of sin nx here, next step you are taking cos nx by n. The limit minus pi to 0 and x into sin nx. uv minus. Here once again applying the Bernoulli formula. Here x u. Integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n minus u dash. Differentiation of x is 1. So v1. So integration of v is v1 cos nx by n. Differentiation is sin nx by n square. So one negative already here. Negative into negative is positive. So now substituting upper limit minus lower limit, we get 1 by n, 1 minus 2 cos n pi. So in sin 0 is 0, sin n pi value also 0. So now we are substituting n value 1, 2, 3. We are writing b1. n is 1, b1 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 1 by 2, b3 equal to 1, b4 equal to minus 1 by 4 and so on. So this value substitute in your equation 1, that is a naught, a n, b n values. So we get f of x equal to minus pi by 4, that is a naught value, by 2, minus 2 by pi cos x. That means here already you derived b1, a1, a2, a3 values. a2, every even terms a2, a4, a6 are 0. So remaining cos x plus cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square plus and so on. Plus summation n equal to 120, bn sin nx value is 3 sin x minus 2 sin 2x by 2 plus and so on. So in your question deduce some values, then only in this step we are substituting x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to minus pi by 4, minus 2 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square. Why? You know cos 0, cos 3, 0, 5, 0, cos 0 is 1, but sin 0 values are 0. So only exists first term, expansion. So now we need to find the f of 0 value. Now f of x is here discontinuous at the point x equals 0. This connectivity point is 0. So now we are finding the f of 0 minus 0. Left hand limit, maxima, minima limit. F of 0 minus 0 is minima is minus pi. So f of 0 plus 0, maxima value is 0. So then only we are writing f of 0 equal to 1 by 2. F of 0 minus 0 plus f of 0 plus 0 equal to minus pi by 2. This is the value of f of 0. Now, in this value, we are substituting in a previous step. F of 0 equal to minus pi by 4. That's it. Minus 2 by 4. In your LHS side, f of 0, we are substituting minus pi by 2. So then, we get the solution minus pi by 2 equal to minus pi by 4 minus 2 by pi into 1 by 2 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus and so on, 1 by 5 square plus and so on. So these values are taken to the opposite sides. So we get the required solution 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus and so on value equal to pi square by 8. Okay, this is the required solution of your given question. So thank you students. Yeah, next method and next lecture. Okay.